All right, so today we started with the 4-ton air handler, and we started with the reducer coming from 20 by 12. So we put a reducer on it going to 12 by 12. This is a main supply trunk that's gonna run through the building. So we have that ran out, and it's gonna tap into 12-inch round hard spiral. And all of this is internally lined, squared up. So, and then after that, we move to the filter rack. This is the return side of the air handler. So we moved to the filter rack and we installed a media filter rack. And then we go down to reducing to 20 by 12. So we installed this little L right here that's gonna come out of the return, and it's gonna come this way and tee off to 12 by 12 and 14 by 12 and tap into both of your hard ducts. So this is all return. So then after that, we got fresh air that's installed here, all with controlled dampers. You see that there? So all of those have electrical motors in them. When you send call to them, it either opens or closes that damper, and that runs all the way here through 8-inch spiral. And then we're gonna tap that into here, and there's gonna be an electrical call from this unit to that motor in that damper. So whenever this unit comes on, it'll open a damper and allow this to suck fresh air through the top of the building.